Hi everyone, this is a video on how to print non-Rapido pick slips in the morning. So these are our local requests. From Alma, you will go to the left-hand side on the navigation pane, you'll select fulfillment, and then under resource requests, you'll select pick from shelf. And that will load the local requests for today. So you are going to always select the select all. And then over here is the print slip. You're going to select that. And then your print system will load. And you will simply send it to print. And that's it. That's how to print our local request pick slips each and every morning. Thank you.